In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay on Dubizzle. By the end, you'll know exactly how to complete a payment smoothly so your ad or upgrade goes live without any hiccups. First, open the Dubizzle app on your phone or head to the Dubizzle website in your browser. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection to avoid interruptions during checkout. Once you're in, choose what you want to pay for. You can post an ad, feature an existing ad to boost its visibility, upgrade to a premium listing for extra exposure, or purchase a job package if you're hiring. Take a second to review the option that best fits your goal so you get the most value. After making your selection, go to checkout. You'll see a summary of what you're buying and the total amount due. If everything looks correct, tap Continue to move to the payment page. It's a good idea to pause here and confirm the item or package name and price, especially if you have multiple ads or services in your account. On the payment page, pick your payment method. You can use Visa, MasterCard, a debit card, or a credit card. Choose the card type you plan to use, then proceed to enter your card details carefully. Type in the card number exactly as it appears on your card, the name on the card, the expiry date in the month and year format, and the CVV code. The CVV is the three-digit security code typically found on the back of your card. Double-check for typos. Incorrect digits are the most common reason payments fail. When you submit your card details, you'll be prompted to complete OTP verification. Your bank will send a one-time password through SMS, your banking app, or email, depending on your bank's settings. Enter that OTP code promptly, as it usually expires after a short time. For your security, keep this code private and don't share it with anyone. Once entered, tap Complete Payment and give it a moment to process. Avoid refreshing the page or tapping back while it's working. If the payment is successful, your ad or selected service will activate automatically. You should see a confirmation on screen, and you may also receive a confirmation message. If something doesn't go through, recheck your card details, ensure your card has sufficient funds and is enabled for online payments, and try again or choose a different card. And that's it. Simple, secure, and fast. Now you're ready to pay on Dubizzle with confidence.